Azim Premji has spoken out for the first time about what he plans to do as far as succession at Wipro is concerned. And Azim Premji, who of course with his family controls as much as 78% of Wipro, said that it really would make sense for his son Rishad to succeed him eventually as non-executive chairman. Let's chat then with Chandra Ranganathan, who's joining us live from Bangalore for more on that story. Well, no prizes really for guessing that one, Chandra, but really talk to us about the context in which Mr. Premji said all of this.
Absolutely, Tanya. It's a no-brainer that Rishad Premji is going to succeed Azim Premji on the board. But I think what he said has really strengthened the opinion internally that Rishad Premji is being groomed for a board role rather than the role of a CEO. Remember, Wipro traditionally has maintained separate roles as far as the management and promoters are concerned. So I think that's a culture that's going to continue as far as Wipro is concerned. So perhaps Rishad, who's now heading the M&A function at Wipro, will eventually be chairman rather than the CEO of the company. Now, the second thing that this could really mean, remember Premji in that interview to Bloomberg has indicated that he won't step down for the next 24 months. So after 24 months, after 2 years is when we'll see Rishad really taking on any major role, even as chairman of the board. But perhaps as a precursor to that, Wipro could look at inducting him on the board to really give him a sense of, how a board member functions. So that is another important indication coming out. Now, Wipro really doesn't have a retirement age for chairman like other companies. But remember, Azim Premji will turn 70 in that time frame he's indicated. So perhaps it's a personal time frame that he has for himself before he hands over the baton to Rishad. But clearly the big message coming out is Wipro is going to keep the role of the CEO and the promoter different. It will help in, allaying any corporate governance concern and will at the same time ensure that the culture of the company is preserved.